Deputy Commissioner Jonga East Janti Hill District, Shivanis Awasti IAS, Long Bakat Kumga Hukum Jonga Ying Bishar, Ka High Court Meghalaya, Labatha Ban Pynkyllem No Yaki Khandro Tuli, Jaka Thang Dewiong, Kiba Kum Kuk Plan, High East Janti Hill District Namar, Baki Klem Shim Gano Jingbit, Karkum Kikundan. Long Banai Khandro Tuli Jaka Thang Dewiong, Santali Ladeb and Pynkyllem Menshua. Yaki Khandro Tuli Badansa, La Panjapan Shai, How benai risau mentaus nem arhajar apusan. Hendai kim siam lawan ai kano jubab. Kat kum karai jong hing bisyar. Labatha yak kunhun ban pynkyllem yaki kharwai teli jaka thang dewiong. Kajinglet ban pynkyllem yaki jaka thang dewiong kalasdang haga khalai tarik nopra arhajar apusan. Kata kasing sajany. Kibala syak pynkyllem kilong nyau teli barok. Kat ba kiwai pat saw teli Habai la lech ki jaka la shemba la depan pynkyllem dak try bla shna yaki.
So as per the directions of Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, joint team under the supervision of SDO Manish Kumar, members from Pollution Control Board and Police Department were given directions to undertake the demolition of all unauthorized coke plants in the district. So in total there were 16 coke plants that were identified who have set up coke plants in the district, but they have not taken necessary authorization as per the norms and criteria as laid down by the government notification. Out of these 16 coke plants, 5 have been demolished earlier. The remaining 11, we had issued a notice to them in the month of October to submit a compliance whether they have obtained the necessary permissions for regularization. And since no reply was received from these coke plants, hence as per the directions of Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, the direction was given to these teams to undertake the demolition of these 11 unauthorized coke plants in East Jaintia Hills district. So these teams started their work from Saturday onwards, and as on date they have undertaken the demolition of 7 out of 11 coke plants. And for the remaining 4 coke plants, when they visited their site, they observed that they have already been demolished by the respective owners. So in total, all 11 coke plants that were unauthorized are now not in operation.